welcome to Mary's Math Club.
Binary operation laws, sometimes also known as laws of binary composition. But the question is, what is binary operation means? Binary operation means if there is a set, suppose S, and this set S has the element A, B, C and all these elements, then if there is an operation, if the operation is asterisk, sign with asterisk sign I am denoting here, like this sign I am denoting here, then A means the element of this set, and that binary operation, I am not saying still now it is binary, because I am saying the condition for what we can say that an operation is binary operation. So I am taking two elements, and two elements is needed for this operation, and A star B means A, not asterisk sign, means the operation B will give a result C which is unique result, and obviously A, B, C all will be belongs into S. Means the unique result, whatever we got after the operation of on the two elements, that unique result C is also belongs into the set S, mean in the same set, because A and B also in the set S also belongs into the set S, and the result, their unique result after getting the operation also belongs into the same set. In that case we will say that yes, this operation asterisk is the binary operation. And now we will discuss about the commutative law on the binary operations. Now we will state about the commutative law. So what is commutative law? For this commutative law, we need at least two elements. At least two elements. Suppose that A and B obviously belongs into the set S, and now here assuming our operation, binary operation obviously, for binary, assuming our binary operation is denoting with asterisk sign, and in that case it will be A asterisk sign means the operation, binary operation obviously, B is equal to B asterisk sign means the binary operation with A. So actually what it is saying, that we are what is doing, shifting the position of the element. Here A was on the extreme left side, means A, then as operation, binary operation, then B, and here we have written first B and then the binary operation, then A. So here A was first, here B is first, here A is first, here B is first. So what is happening here, that after the operation, one side, whatever I have written in one side, that element position are changing. So when I am writing A asterisk B, means the element A is position is first, and then the operation, then the next element B, and on other hand side, just the second element means the B is coming first, then the operation, and then the first element. So here in the left hand side, what was the position of the element A, that was changing to the right hand side. Here element A was first, here was second, and here also for B also the element B, it is also true, because B in the left hand side it was in the second position after the operation, and on the right hand side B is the first position before the operation sign. So actually two things are needed for this commutative law. Number one, should be two elements required, at least two elements required, and both the elements should be in the same set. And secondly, that after in both the side the elements will not be in the same position, means they will shift, they will change their position. Now with an example we will make our idea more clear. Now I am stating this commutative law, or we will check that whether commutative law is applicable when the operation is multiplication and the set is integers, set of integers. Set of integers generally denoted by z, like this. Or sometimes it is also said by I, but it doesn't matter. This is a set of integers. That is our thing. So set of integers. As this is set of integers, so we can take positive integers, negative integers, or neutral integers. So I am taking this. Suppose I am taking the element 3 minus 5. Now our operation is binary operation is multiplication. Binary operation is multiplication. So we have to see that this operation is satisfying the commutative law or not. Now see, as per the law, we will write 3 into minus 5. It is giving the result minus 15. And again I am changing the position of the element, shifting the position of the element. Minus 5 was there, now I am writing minus 5 first, then multiplication sign, then 3. And it is also giving the same result, minus 15. That means the binary operation multiplication is satisfying the commutative law when the set is the set of integers. This is one example. And with another example, I will show that some cases it may not be possible also. Now on the same set, means the set of integers, we are doing the another binary operation, because we want to see whether this binary operation is satisfying the commutative law or not. So do this. First I am taking the elements, suppose 5 and minus 11. So, or 5 and 11, that is also okay. Okay, first I am going with 5 and 11. Suppose 5 and 11 both belongs into the set Z, means set of integers. And now I will check whether the operation, binary operation obviously, binary operation subtraction. Now see, 5 minus 11 gives minus 6. Now I am changing the position of the elements. So it will be 11 minus 5 is equal to 6, but it is positive. So this is minus 6, this is plus 6. So the result is not same. So this is the way we can say that one binary operation is commutative or not. So we are seeing here that the multiplication is commutative when the set is a set of integer, and subtraction is not commutative when the set is set of integers. Like, share and subscribe Mary's Math Club. Bye.